All right, Ernest, I'm gonna show you my next modification. I've been testing it for a while now, and I wanted a barrel system you could torque it, so you make the whole barrel system rigid. And I first saw this barrel torquing system is on an Ed gun R5, and this is almost the same principle. And I'm gonna show you this flex on a barrel. I'm gonna put a roll-on in here, and it's kind of heavy. All right, with no shroud. Doesn't matter a shroud or what attached, you're still gonna do the same thing. And adjust this. You see the whole thing. All right, now look at the barrel clearance. All right, I'm gonna flex this. See how much it flexes. I keep in the bottle stationary as much as possible, and you can see how much it moves. All right, especially shooting a 30 caliber or a 357, you'll see a lot of movement on the barrel. And when I shoot fast, I don't want to wait for the barrel to settle before I shoot my next shot. I want to shoot at least 1.5 to 2 seconds a shot when I rapid fire or speed competition. And it does affect your accuracy if the barrel is still vibrating while you're taking a shot. So here's my torquing system. What I'm using is high quality 3K carbon fiber. All right. And it's 3 mil thick. All right. And what it does, this square end here sits on this forward barrel mount, and it passes this barrel here about 1 mil. So we have compression when we tighten it down. All right. Let's see, up on this side, and it's really airtight fit. There's no slop on this carbon fiber. All right. Now, a little torque. Well, we'll screw in a silencer. All right. Now I'm torquing the barrel and everything to this forward barrel mount. And when it's tight, it doesn't want to turn anymore. That's it. Now, take a look at her now. Let me zoom up to the barrel. You can see the bottle is moving with it. And I can't hardly move this up and down. It's that tight and rigid. So, yeah, really rigid. And I noticed with all my testing, accuracy improved. Well, I haven't seen no point of impact change. I've been testing that. And I mean, point of impact change is when you let it sit for a couple of days or a certain angle. And it's always spot on. And I can always shoot fast now, as fast as I can, 1.5 seconds, till my crosshair is stationary, and bam, bam. And I got better accuracy with it. All right, and I think it's benefit the 600 and above, especially on the 357. I'm gonna show you a video on the next one. Is 357. I'm gonna show you how rigid this system is. It's applying the torque. Now, if you're using a Roland, if you remove your silencer, you go to remove the torque. So when you put it back on, it might not be in the same torque. So your point of impact might have changed, and you might have to readjust. But maybe further down the line, I'll have a nut here, keep the torque on. All right. But for now, I'm using this FX stackable. There's a trick to it. After you apply your torque, it doesn't move. Remove 3/4 of the section. There's this middle section and an end cap. Just remove it. All right, now the rear cap holds is holding the torque on the system, on the barrel system. So if you got a tight case, eventually, I mean, a 700 with the silencer is not going to fit in the case. So with this, you just take it off, then it'll fit. All right, I just want to keep the torque there. So I invent some kind of high quality stop here, keep the torque applied to the barrel system. And it works for me because I don't change caliber on my impact. If this gun is set at 30 caliber, it stays at 30 caliber and a certain speed. I don't change nothing on this. So the torque is always going to be the same. And I got other impacts, 177, you know, different calibers, modified differently. And this is going to stay just the way I like it. Just set up that way. And you'll see further down the line, you'll see the improvement on your accuracy. All right, we'll catch you next video.